Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to build a Shopify website. Shopify is a popular e-commerce platform that allows you to create an online store and sell products to customers around the world. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the process of building a Shopify website step by step. First, you need to sign up for a Shopify account. Go to the Shopify website and click on the Get Started button. Fill out the registration form with your email address, password, and store name. Once you have completed the registration process, you will be taken to the Shopify dashboard. Next, you need to set up your store by adding a theme. Shopify offers a wide range of free and paid themes that you can choose from. Browse the theme store and select a theme that best suits your business needs. Once you have selected a theme, click on the Add Theme button to install it. After installing the theme, you need to customize it to match your brand. You can do this by adding your logo, changing the color scheme, and modifying the layout. You can also add a favicon to your store to give it a professional look. Now, it's time to add products to your store. Click on the Products tab in the dashboard and then click on the Add Product button. Fill out the product details such as product title, description, price, and images. You can also add variants to your products, such as different sizes and colors. In addition to adding products, you also need to set up payment and shipping options. Shopify integrates with a wide range of payment gateways, including PayPal and credit cards. You can also set up shipping rates and options, such as free shipping and flat rate shipping. Once you have set up your store and added products, it's time to launch it. Click on the Launch button in the dashboard to make your store live. You can then share the link to your store on social media and other marketing channels. Finally, you need to optimize your store for search engines. Shopify offers a range of SEO tools, including meta tags and product descriptions. You can also use third-party apps to optimize your store for search engines. In conclusion, building a Shopify website is a straightforward process that requires some basic knowledge of e-commerce and online marketing. By following the steps outlined in this tutorial, you can create a professional-looking online store and start selling products to customers around the world. Remember to keep your store up to date and optimized for search engines to get the most out of your Shopify website.